Yeah, there's going to be a little bit of spring thrown into your fall today, Jamie, and that spring comes in the form of thunderstorms. Between 4 and 9 o'clock this evening, scattered showers and thunderstorms are likely. So that's at the very least lightning, which is plenty enough to cause delays and disruptions and postponements to outdoor activities and practices. But there's also the potential that a few of those storms during that time produces large hail, could be up the size of golf balls, and damaging wind gusts. Now, I don't think there's going to be many reports of that, but the environment does at least support a risk of large hail and damaging wind today here in this yellow shaded area, which includes Kansas City. Again, the time is between 4 and 9. I think storms develop 4, 5, 6, 7 o'clock and will continue into the evening through 9, possibly 10 o'clock. There's a very low chance of a tornado. It's not zero, it's low. We're more concerned about the damaging wind and especially very large hail, which would be golf ball size hail. But again, I'm not anticipating many reports of that, but it's a potential you would need to prepare for. If you're home for the evening and you have covered parking or garage, maybe just leave your vehicle there. If you're on the go, make sure that you receive the alerts that are issued by downloading the free KNBC app on your smartphone. And the time for that again is 4 to 9 o'clock this evening. Between now and 2 o'clock this afternoon, increasing clouds. That's our dry time of the day. Our stormy time of the day comes after that, 4 to 9 o'clock this evening. It's going to get a lot warmer too, with temperatures climbing into the 80s ahead of this cold front. And you notice this is at 4 o'clock. Scattered downpours and thunderstorms developing behind the front, and then they will continue to blossom through the evening following that cold front across Interstate 70 into eastern parts of Kansas and western Missouri. That includes Kansas City through 11 o'clock tonight. So at the very least, there will be rain and thunderstorms during that time. Worst case scenario would be a couple of severe thunderstorms that produce damaging wind and large hail. The front pushes through overnight. You're going to notice a big change to the temperature and the humidity for Thursday. Tomorrow morning, lows in the 40s and 50s. Might even need a light jacket or hoodies for kids going to school. You might even need one heading out the door to work. 76 degrees on Thursday afternoon, and even chillier on Friday. Temperatures don't even make it into the 70s Friday afternoon. There's a chance of light rain showers. This is what the radar will look like during the early morning with a cloudy sky, and we could see rain showers sweeping through early in the morning, clearing out again in the afternoon as we set up with a beautiful weekend for outdoor activities. If you've got games, soccer games, you got practices, you got whatever you got going on this weekend, it's going to be real nice. It's going to be real chilly in the morning. So if those games are earlier in the morning, you might want to consider a jacket or a hoodie. 48 degrees Saturday morning, mid-70s with sunshine Saturday and Sunday. There is a chance of rain showers leading off next week on Monday. High temperature still well below normal, only in the 70s Monday and Tuesday. And then indications point towards warmer conditions next week on Wednesday and Thursday with highs back in the 80s.